Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your bad biggest app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps list, and here you're looking for bad biggest app, or just click on search, then here add bad biggest app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search here for bad because it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.